Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Gonna spend a little bit of time this morning with our 1961 Mercedes 190 SL that is on bat this week. It is just finishing up in a few hours. I wanted to show off this car a little bit in direct sunlight. I wanted to do a walk around on video. I wanted to show off just how gorgeous this car is. Guys, this is the real deal right here. Just as pretty as can be. But not only is she gorgeous, she runs and drives exactly like she should. This car is ready for anything. And it's got a little bit of dust on it right now. Ready for anything, but oh my God, what a stunner. As I mentioned, yeah, it looks pretty, but she runs just as well. So let's do a cold start. There is a bit of a starting procedure with this car, as it has a choke. It also has a push button start. So the first thing I do is turn the key to the on position, and then I pull the choke and twist it to set, and then give it a couple pumps. I'll make sure I'm in neutral here. Give it a couple pumps of fuel, and then let it sit for a minute. I let it sit until I feel that the engine is warm enough that I can turn down the choke. While I'm in here, I will just show off the working radio. I haven't played with the clock yet. I'm going to do that on a separate video. I want to make sure if that's working or not. But look at this piano wood in here. All the chrome is perfect. Look at the square weave carpet. Well, can't see it really in the light, but it's gorgeous as well. Floorboards are perfect. Just as pretty as can be. Turn down this choke. Well, not quite ready yet. No smoking with this car, guys. No drips of oil. Let's pull it out. Let it warm up here a little more, and we'll look at some more of the inside. But I was mentioning that square weave carpet. There's a better view of it. All trimmed. Every single grommet is right, every single piece of chrome, the backs of the seats. This work is just stunning. Visors are all excellent. Dashboard, but how nice. See if she's happy enough to let my foot off the gas here. Yep, she should stay running there. So I'm going to drive it. I'm going to get it outside. I'm going to get it in direct sunlight. I'll do another one of these videos where you can see the paint. It is excellent. It is swirl free. Yeah. All right. Look forward to my next little video in just a few minutes. Thanks again. Good morning again, guys. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Continuing my video series this morning on our 1961 SL190. I've got it out in direct sunlight today, and this is the harshest light that you can photograph or film a black car, and it is just as pretty outside in the light as it is indoors, as you can tell. Difficult to drive this car without all eyes on you. If you like that sort of thing, this is the car for you. I took some time with the clock. It is a winder clock. It's kind of like a pocket watch, I guess, in the dash. So I have set that and wound it to the correct time. So by the time I get back to the dealership, we should be able to determine if that is indeed working correctly. But yeah, guys, just a great car to drive, easy car to drive. The clutch is just simple to operate. The gears are smooth. Yeah, this is a real winner. So there you have it. There's a little pollen in the air, so I've been dusting off the car, but seems to be a little magnetic with not just eyes, but with pollen. So if you see some on there, I wouldn't be surprised. All right, so I will head back to the store. As I mentioned, I'm here to answer any last day questions if you have them, so please ask in the comments and I'll get right to you. Thanks again, guys. Happy bidding.